Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Friday's maths activity. I have been so impressed all week, I know I keep saying it, with how well you are learning your 3D shapes. So before we start our activities today, I've got a game for us to play that I know we all know the rules to, and that is bingo. But we're not going to be playing sound bingo for phonics, and we're not going to be using tricky words. We're going to be using 3D shapes. So what we are going to be able to do this morning, just going to see if I can share my screen with you so you can see it. At the bottom of the plan, children, you will probably find, or hopefully find, some 3D shaped bingo cards. Now, it doesn't matter if you don't have a printer, children, to print these out, because you can draw your own ones or write the words down on your own bingo sheet to be able to join in with us. Okay, so on the screen, you can see there's two different bingo cards for you to choose from, but you don't have to use my bingo cards. If you look really carefully behind me, I've just drawn on a piece of paper, I've just drawn a grid with 1, 2, 3, 4 sections in. So if you don't have a printer, draw yourself a grid with 4 sections and either draw 4 of our different 3D shapes, or you could ask an adult to help you, or you could write the words for them. It's entirely up to you. So let's just remember which shapes we need to choose from today. Are you ready? One of your shapes could be a cube. Well done. Another shape could be, what is it? Can you remember? Yeah, it's the ice cream cone. Next one could be, you might want to choose for your bingo sheet. Oh, it's not a cube, is it? It's a cuboid. Well done. Next one you could choose, children. Oh, it's that cheeky rolling one, but it's not a ball, is it? Can you remember that word? Yeah, it's a sphere. Well done. Okay, and another one could be, nearly there, children. We've got 6 to choose from. Number 5 is our square-based pyramid. Well done. And the final choice you could have today is our cylinder. So your first challenge, make sure you pause me to grab your bingo sheet or to make your bingo sheet. I don't mind. And as soon as you're ready to play bingo, come back. Are you ready? Make sure you pause me now. Okay, hopefully you've all got a bingo sheet in front of you, whether it's drawn on a piece of paper or printed out from the bottom of the plan that Mrs. Boyden and I sent to you. So, are you ready? I've got my magic bag still, and it's full of those shapes. And as I pull those shapes out, if you've got the shape, obviously, make sure you tick it. Are you ready? Who's going to win our 3D shape bingo? Okay. Oh. Our first shape, children, what is it? Shout it at me really loud. It's got one curved face all the way around, no vertices and no edges. It's our sphere. Well done, you guys. Give that one a tick on your sheet if you've got it. If you don't have it, doesn't matter. Okay, I'll pop that down. Gonna come next. Ooh, it's gonna be, I think you all know this one. What is it? It's our cube. How many faces does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's got 6 faces. It's got 8 vertices. It's got 12 edges. It's the cube. Make sure you tick that one on your sheet if you've got that one. Ooh, who's got 2 already? Well done if you have. Okay, let's just look. Ooh. I had a sneaky look at that one, Georgia. I'm going to put it down and change it. Ooh, Our next one for you to tick on your sheet if you've got it. What's this one, children? That's right. It's our cylinder, isn't it? It's got 1, count with me, 2, 3 faces. 2 of them are circle shaped. 1 is a curved face going all the way around the middle. So tick your cylinder if you've got your cylinder on your bingo sheet. Who's already got 3? Put your hands if you've got 2. Your hands if you've got 1. Interesting. Okay, ready? Ooh, this could be the last one some of you need. Ooh, let's see what it is. It is our, what is it, children? It's our cone. It's got 1 curved face. It's got 1 circle face. It's got a vertice at the end, and it's got an edge going all the way around it. It's our cone. Someone shouting bingo already. Well done if that was you. That's amazing. Okay, keep watching if it's not your bingo. Let's keep going. 2 more. Is it going to be? Is this going to be your last one? What is it, children? Let's have a look. We've got A rectangle face, a square face. But it's not a rectangle and it's not a square. It's called a cuboid. And this also has 8 vertices and 12 edges. Ooh, it's got rectangles and square faces, hasn't it? Oh my gosh, have some of you got bingo as well now? Well done. If you've already got bingo, there's one more. Let me make sure I do this last one for those people that haven't got bingo yet. Hopefully this is your last one. Let's see. It is our it's our square-based pyramid. Give yourselves a great big pat on the back if you managed to do all of your bingo. Well done. All of you should have your bingo sorted now. Okay, today's activity is a good one. I think you'll be able to use your brains to use it. I'm just going to share my screen with you so we can see it. Here we go. And I'm just going to scroll down just a little bit. Let me just move it up. Okay, children. Today's challenge today. You've got to choose, well, you could choose one of these challenges to do, or you could choose both of them. In the green box, the challenge says, which shapes are best? And to read it, it says, Sid has lost his ball, oh dear, and needs a new one. And it says, look at these shapes. So have a look at these shapes here. Which shapes do you think would make a good ball? Which ones would not? Can you explain why? So I wonder if you can think about which shapes have curved faces on, which ones would roll well. Are there any that wouldn't roll well because all of their faces are flat? What about if they've got vertices? Does that make a difference? If their shape has lots of vertices, does that make it easy to roll, do you think? So I wonder if you could have a go at the green chili or the green challenge just there, which I think you'd be able to be good at. And what you can do as well, children, is you can record yourself. If you don't want to write your answers down, you don't have to. Record yourself or get an adult to record you telling them what your answer is and why. Okay, and the other challenge, the orange challenge just here, it says, which shapes are best again? It says, Ava, here's Ava here, is building a house. Can you find a cube and copy her house so far? So for this one, you might need to go and find another cube around your house, children. So you need to start with a cube. Then it says, now Ava needs a roof. Should she use a sphere or a pyramid? Which one do you think she should use? It says, try them both and decide which shape is best. And then explain to me why. So don't just say, Miss Oliver, I think this one's best. You have to say, I think this one is best because. And then if you really want to wow me, you can say, I think this one is best because of this. And this one, well, that's not very good because of this reason here. So they're your 2 challenges. Today, children, I'll just come off that. There we go. I can't wait to see what your thinking is about our 3D shapes and which will work best and which won't work best. But I know you're going to do really, really well because you are 3D shape experts. So really enjoy your last maths activity of the week and make sure you show me what you get up to. Then do remember to enjoy your weekend too. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.